Bloom Architects created a striking 2,200 square foot residential home with 4 bedrooms that epitomizes the seamless fusion of modern and minimalist design. This architectural marvel is characterized by its bold layout and thoughtful integration of living spaces. The open floor plan merges the living room with an enclosed kitchen, forming a spacious and expansive area that sets the tone for the entire residence. This innovative design choice allows for a dynamic flow while preserving the sanctity of private bedrooms. The living room and kitchen are subtly separated by a unique tropical-themed divider. This vibrant feature introduces a touch of nature and provides a visual break, offering a transition between culinary and dining areas without disrupting the open feel. The home's overall aesthetic leans heavily toward a contemporary look with a significant mid-century modern influence. This style creates a cohesive theme throughout the house, with carefully chosen materials and textures enhancing the visual and tactile appeal. The home is designed to reflect the unique personalities of its inhabitants, a young couple and their 2 teenage daughters. The living room, the central gathering point, is adorned with soft curvilinear forms, creating a welcoming environment. Neutral shades are used throughout but are enlivened with pops of color and patterns in the separate seating areas. This approach ensures a sense of unity while allowing for individualized design elements. A playful polka-dotted wallpaper in the bar section and bright orange tropical print fabric on the dining chairs add vibrant accents to the otherwise neutral palette. The design approach varies in each bedroom, mirroring the distinct styles of the family members. The elder daughter's elongated room stands out with its abundance of bright red tones, creating a visually stimulating environment. Subtle wooden textures in the flooring and cabinetry balance the boldness, while the adjoining bathroom harmonizes with a red and white color scheme, establishing a cohesive feel. The younger daughter's room, though smaller, is brimming with vivacious energy. Bright teal hues in the custom-made tiles on the floor and walls infuse the space with playfulness and character. In contrast, the master bedroom exudes elegance with terrazzo flooring and minimalistic design, incorporating soft curvy forms and strategically placed leather elements for added texture and subtle color. The parents' bedroom offers a tranquil retreat, embracing a more subdued and mature aesthetic. The design reflects a serene ambience, ensuring a peaceful environment for the homeowners. Throughout the residence, each space becomes a chapter in the family's narrative, reflecting their individual styles and the harmonious blend of modern and minimalist aesthetics. The result is a home that is as unique as its occupants, framed by the breathtaking suburban landscape beyond.